welcome. Today I'll be reviewing the Commodore Vanderbilt steam locomotive and tender number 6-1863 by Lionel. So this set comes with a letter in a box that says congratulations for owning the set and that it is a very limited run of 1 of 600. Both the tender and the locomotive are both 1 of 600. I believe the set was made in 1999. And it is TMCC. It has had trouble connecting to my TMCC controller, while my other locomotives are acting totally fine, so it's got to be a problem with this. I am going to take it into my local hobby shop also for the motor problem. It's having a problem crawling, and as you heard in the video, I don't know if I'll leave the audio in. It's pretty, I guess, disappointing that it has this problem already, and I do definitely want to get this serviced as soon as possible. Now, detail-wise, it does have the red New York Central nameplate in the front, and up top here, you do have a bell. The bell can, oh, there we go. I was just looking at my finger through my phone. But the bell can move side to side. On top of that, this locomotive does actually have a lighted tender. I will try to get my phone inside to see there. Is this gonna happen? No, it's not. But as you can see, the two men in there are standing around the firebox, and the firebox actually gets pretty bright when it is running at full speed. So taking a step back here, the engine is very streamlined. It is I believe, a bathtub style streamlining, as it looks like a bathtub with the front here. It looks like an upside down one. And it does not have whistle steam, sadly, or whistle smoke that Lionel has on some models. But on the tender, it does have actual cast or individual grab irons. And it also has individual railings here that are not just cast into the actual shell or individual pieces. And in the front here, this moves a little bit. It's a little bit annoying that it moves. I wish it was glued down, but at the same time, it's not that big of a deal. Down here, we have beautiful wheels with I'm gonna call it a white outline. Correct me if I'm wrong, or for the more technical term, correct me for that. But it is really awesome to see a proper, I guess, set of running gear on here. And it really does look fantastic when you are running it on the layout. Now, in the back here, you do actually have to put, let me see if this comes off easily. I don't think so. There we go. You do have to put a D battery there, and as you can see, there is a Lionel speaker. Let me just put that back on. And there we go. But yeah, that is set number 6-18063. Now, if you have any questions, feel free to leave it in the comments below. I will now cut to some running sessions. Thank you for going about the Commodore Vanderbilt with me today, and see you next time.